Hi Camille, here's a first pass at your child's room. I've approximated the bunk bed from an older model of a bunk bed I had. When you get to the 2D drawing, there are lots of dimensions to check. Your sketch was a bit thin on the ground on dimensions, and it would be good, certainly for the master bedroom, to have a much richer picture of what is actually there. But this is fairly simple. Good to see this in 3D moving around, because it would be good to understand what kind of access you have through that point. Would be good to know that dimension between the pull-out bed and the wall there. These are 400mm deep shelves, and looking at the decor in the room, I sort of guessed it's a fairly young child. So we've mounted this basket shelf fairly low down to give access to the hanging. Hopefully you can get them hanging trained fairly young. Good luck with that. The basket shelf is a nice component because it's like a normal wire shelf, but it has this sort of 100mm upstand with divisions, plastic divisions that are movable. So I've shown two used as end caps here and here, but that division also works. You can put it anywhere along the shelf, so you can divide up between pants, socks, t-shirts, something like that for a young kid when they want access to those to start to dress themselves. I see you had something on the door that might be covering that as well. The bunk bed and desk are doing a lot of the heavy lifting in the room in terms of organisation, but I did wonder, are there any other spots where we could help with some organisation or tidying? Is there anything going on this wall, for example, by the door? In fact, I'm going to pause the video for a minute and add something else in there. So what I've added in now is part of Elfa's back of door range, which is an underused component really. It can be really useful on a wall. Just wondered if these mesh baskets, they come in 3 different sizes, they're also available in the wire finish, might also be useful for, it could be storing toys, it could be clothes, it could be shoes. There is actually a shoe hanger component as part of this range as well. So yeah, just kind of looking for other opportunities to create some storage. You could put shelves above the bunk bed, possibly. Slightly harder to install, but not impossible. Okay, so here's the first pass. Let me know what you think. Not a lot to go at here, but certainly fairly easy for a DIY install. One of the things we do need to look at on the 2D drawing is what is the exact distance between the picture rail and the top of the skirting, just so I can specify the correct vertical. Hopefully you won't have to cut that. If you do, it's not such a big deal. Okay, speak soon.